Yeah? Okay. So for all the haters in that damn video that's on my Instagram, like 2 million fucking views and like, I don't know however many comments, and they're all pretty much bad comments, people talking shit about when I wash the vehicle and it gains water, or it retains water inside the trunk. Why? I don't know. I don't know if it's the drains that are sealed up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the fucking trunk, and my wife's gonna try to shine a light around the edges to see if I can see where any of the stuff is, maybe there's light coming in, maybe it's a seal or something. So, okay, we're gonna get in the trunk, open the fucking trunk. Alright. I don't know.
See you later.
I don't know which side. I'm assuming it's this side. Alright, close it.
Okay, bye. Whoa.
I don't see any light, dude. Not at all. Not one bit. Alright, so I didn't see anything when she turned off the lights and used the light on the camera around the seams. Didn't see anything, so I went ahead and pulled out that panel, which is the back piece, and then that corner that goes around where the lights are. So hopefully we can see something now. You have the keys? Here.
No.
Can you scoot back? Alright, so I could not find where there's any really visible light, but there was a little bit of light coming out of here where normally there's like a little rubber grommet going for the back of the light. But on either side, I don't have one. So I'm going to go ahead and use this heat tape to cover this up. Obviously, like I did this one. That's the only spot that I've seen any type of light. And she was shining the light all the way through the seams and all that stuff and around the back tail lights. But we're going to hopefully see if that'll work. Like I said, I did see a little bit of light. I'm going to take the car to the car wash right now for kind of in preparation for this weekend, which is going to be the GTR Fest in Dallas. I'm going to have to wash the car again when I get up there because I'm just towing it on the trailer. But just to get it cleaned up for right now. Hopefully that's good. Hopefully that is what will prevent water from getting inside here. I'm going to leave this back panel off. It's right there. I'm going to leave the back panel off until we go to the car wash. And if it still has water in it, then I'm going to have to get in there when it has water and let my wife spray it and see if I can see where the fucking water's coming from. But take a picture of it like this.
I'll stop recording now.
Take a picture of it like from low. Alright, so good news. It was not the drains. It was the actual pieces right here. You see how these rubber grommets are on these other lights? Right here, there is no big rubber grommet to access these lights right here. So I used that heat tape that goes like in the engine bay. And now look, just got done washing the car. Zero water inside. There's water right here, but that's because I was pushing real hard on this one to try to see if it was this tape. So there's a little bit of fluid right here, but we found the source of the problem. I'm gonna put some more tape right there. Got it or not? Huh? Let me see. Day 3 of GTR Fest. This one packs the most random shit. She's doing her hair. Dude, this one's hair. What? The weather's kind of shitty, but as long as it don't rain, got the good shoes on. It's day 3, so it's all the fastest cars.